Know your message. Before you start speaking, it is important to know what exactly you want to say in your speech. First, you need to listen, think and formulate your thoughts and ideas before you speak. By doing this, you will increase your efficiency as a powerful communicator. Scenario 1. John Mayers, a student with Delhi University, was asked to give a speech on fashion and today in front of an audience of 1,000 people. John decided he will go and speak to the audience on the next day, and he began his speech as, "Hello everyone. Fashion is a modern thing. What I feel about fashion is that it is also traditional when you want to wear traditional wear. I also feel that we can wear both traditional wear and modern wear." The audience started hooting and shouting. John did not know what to speak. He did not prepare his speech and go in front of the audience. He started to stammer and stutter while speaking, and hence the audience reaction. Scenario 2. John Mayers, a student with Delhi University, was asked to give a speech on fashion and today in front of an audience of 1,000 people. He began thinking on all the possible reactions that the audience would have when he gave the speech. He decided that the audience would be divided into two groups. The first group that would associate fashion and tradition, and the second group that would associate fashion and modernization. So he decided, I'm going to prepare my speech with points on fashion being associated with tradition and modernization. And I'm going to tell the audience how these two concepts today have merged to be one, the fashion today. When John began his speech, he was prepared. He first began by introducing himself. John. Hi everyone, my name is John Mayers and I'm a student of the Delhi University. I would like to tell you something on fashion and today. Then John progressed forward by defining fashion, tradition, modernization. John. Fashion consists of a current or constantly changing trend, while tradition is a custom that is passed on from generation to generation. John also said that all these factors were merely evolving every time and that it was never permanent. He concluded his speech by thanking the audience for their patience and by ending on the note that fashion is what we project ourselves to be and that it does not have anything to do with being modern or a traditional person. Hence we have seen that John was able to keep the crowd attentive throughout his speech since he structured it well and that he knew what to say. Conclusion. All the successful orators we admire have a draft of their thoughts drawn up, edited and re-edited to perfection before they get on stage and open their mouths. Time stands witness to many a speech being hooted off stage when words have been poorly chosen to suit the occasion. Here are a few tips. Think before you speak. Be acquainted with your message. Get to the point quickly, as it will be easier for the listener to remember what you said. Know the results you want from your dialogues. Practice the power of influence. Persuade the other person to accept our point of view. Have some knowledge about the people you're speaking with. Proper planning in advance is essential to deliver right message and to accomplish successful networking.